I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a zipper on a golf bag. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the problem. Look for bent teeth, a misaligned slider, or fabric caught in the mechanism. Knowing the exact issue helps you choose the right repair method. Make sure you have basic tools like needle nose pliers, a small brush, and a zipper lubricant on hand before you begin. If your zipper is stuck, a simple lubrication can often solve the problem. Rub a graphite pencil, a bar of soap, or even a wax candle along the zipper teeth on both sides. Then, gently work the slider back and forth to help the lubricant spread evenly. For stubborn spots or bent teeth, use small pliers to carefully straighten them, ensuring they align properly for smooth movement. When zipper teeth separate, you might be able to realign them by gently squeezing them together with pliers. If the slider is the issue, perhaps it is too loose or broken, you can often replace it. Measure the old slider to find a compatible new one, then carefully remove the old and attach the new. For more significant damage, a zipper repair kit provides specialized tools and replacement parts to tackle complex tooth problems. To keep your golf bag zippers working smoothly for years, regular maintenance is key. Always clean the zipper teeth with a small brush to remove dirt and debris that can cause sticking. Periodically apply a light lubricant to ensure the slider glides effortlessly. This simple care routine prevents most common zipper problems. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.